is to make use of the pure intellectual reasoning and thus earn a personal conviction. There are sufficient reasons to prove that in all these three planes of consciousness, the observer or the experiencer is one and the same entity.
Anybody has a confusion about that?
No.
No. Because that's very simple.
But have to explain now everything.
Huh?
You have
You
already
explained.
Yeah, so it is one person, and then he's also saying that in Hindu scripture कोई ये नहीं कहेगा कि भाई blind faith ये मान लो बस क्यों scientific reason बता रहे हैं वो क्यों and ये हम लोग challenge नहीं कर सकते वो हमारे experience है कि 3 states में ही experience कर रही हूँ right
And in fact, they like everybody to ask questions. All our scriptures are with questions.
yeah, exactly
It isn't कि on Sunday you go to church or on Monday you do this.
There are no
You know?
question answers there.
No,
Yeah.
over there,
They're just you believe
you
because
just ask questions, keep on asking questions. The more questions you ask, the more it opens up.
Western, what I'm saying.
But now let's think about it. Why it is so important? Why did they give so much importance? Because if I have a doubt, I'll never believe in it. Think about it. अगर मेरे को कोई चीज में believe करना है, मेरे सारे doubts चले जाने चाहिए. Right?
हाँ.
अगर मेरे को जरा सा भी doubt हो तो फिर मेरे में मैं उसको आगे बढ़ ही नहीं सकती मैं.
Because the
That's
whole
why
thing
they're
is your own experience. You have to,
Om.
because the whole thing is your story. And your story is not going to be like hers. Her story is going to be different. Atma is different. Everybody is reaching
Sorry, what?
Story.
Everybody
Story, I thought.
Everybody is reaching that path
Yeah.
is going to be unique, like you are unique. Your
Your
path
own
is also
subjective
unique.
journey,
So,
yes.
Oh yeah, we all have
so what
different
are you
experiences.
So you have to have that.
And that's why I think a lot of
Clarity.
people from other faiths, all of a sudden, like when they study about Hinduism and all of them, wow. Like I
Yeah.
met this lady and she said, I can never go back to any other way of thinking.
Yeah.
Because once you know this, because there, here they ask you, "Oh, you have any doubt, you have any question, and सबका answer वो जब तक नहीं छोड़ेगा गुरु जब तक तुम्हारी खोपड़ी में बराबर घुस नहीं जाए.
And you experience it.
Yeah. And that's why in Bhagavad Gita also पूरा ज्ञान उन्होंने चैप्टर 2 में दे दिया था उसको मगर कृष्ण उसने शुरू किया क्वेश्चन and then other chapters came along because he was taking out his doubts continuously.
Continue. None can remember.
None can remember the experiences of another, for example. You cannot remember any of the experience, nor can I remember any of the experience.
Your experience.
My
Any of your
experience
experience.
My experience and your experience.
On the other hand, I can remember my experiences as easily as you can remember your experiences. And naturally so, for it is in the law of memory that the rememberer and the experiencer must be one and the same. If this principle, common and
It is
rational,
practical.
if this practical, common and rational idea is accepted by you, it cannot be very difficult for you to get at that logic, that it is necessary to believe that there is one sacred principle governing all these three planes of consciousness.
So that is simple. That if I just remember mine and you remember yours. So
Yeah, we
within
cannot
me
remember.
there are. I
Would
feel
you like to remember others because you cannot?
you cannot.
Because you don't
Are
have
you
the
all still
experience.
feeling cold? Atma, you feeling cold? Then I can close that door.
I'm okay.
Are you sure?
For am I not able to remember the waker that I was yesterday? Can I not remember the dreamer that I had yesterday? Can I not remember how after the dream I went to the deep sleep state? Thus, when I can remember all three planes of consciousness through which I traversed during the last 24 hours of my life, certainly there must be one common experiencer who was living through the three planes of experiences in me. The denominator or a factor who is the common experience in the three fields of my activity is the common I, the eternal factor, the pure consciousness.
So let's stop for a second. So here what is that common I? So here right now he's just mentioning that it's an eternal factor or pure consciousness.
Yeah.
So we should just remember that part over here. That what is that person that is, what is that entity rather?
That experiencing all
Yeah,
this.
that is the pure consciousness or eternal factor. Okay. you can
Thus,
finish
in
up.
the stanza, the glosser is trying to hammer in the idea that the reality is one and the same, the life is one and the same, though it functions differently in the three different fields of existence and in three different planes. It seems to gain three different sets of experiences. What this common denominator or factor is would be again discussed later on, and we shall go into its details when the mantra comes up for discussion.
Okay, so then this verse, he's just summarizing the whole thing and giving a little more detail about it. And, I was just thinking that why do you think, what is the significance? Why here they want us to study all these things? Because it's important to know why we are going through this exercise.
Yeah, it's important because, see, unless you, this is for your own experience and to realize, देखो इसमें हम लोग का end है मुक्ति, तो वो मुक्ति कैसे हमको मिलेगी, तो you have to keep on watching yourself क्या, you have to, the consciousness has to keep on getting purer and purer and purer. I mean, this is way on.
Yeah, it is for, because हम लोग को क्या होता है कि we are so much body conscious
We are
and we are so much stuck to the waking world that हम सोचते नहीं उसके पीछे कुछ है भी.
none of
और
us
like there are different paths कृष्ण भगवान ने बताया. तो जो भक्ति वाले हैं ना, वो बोले मेरे को तो कुछ जानना ही नहीं है, वो भक्ति के, लेकिन जो इंटेलेक्चुअल थोड़े टाइप के होते हैं उनको दे हैव टू एनालाइज, और जब तक उनकी वो डाउट्स क्लियर नहीं हो जाते दे कैन नॉट मूव अहेड, सो दिस इज जस्ट टू ब्रेक शैटर दैट, जो हमारा एक अटैचमेंट टू द वेकिंग वर्ल्ड है उसको करने के लिए. Think about it. Then all of a sudden we say, oh my God, there is another whole field of experiences and I don't even think about that. But there is. And, going backwards in it and even in meditation or whatever, that's what I think, that to break that strong attachment to that, so that we can move into the journey.
Yeah, and why do we need to break that is because we are all part of the one consciousness, the whole homogeneous mass of everything.
Exactly.
And so we need to go back to that mass or whatever it is, and that's why we need to be conscious of it.
Exactly. Yes.
That
Because
is
it's very easy to just intellectually understand, but then we kind of, again, we get sucked into
Yeah.
the waking world. But to actually experience that, and the more we study, the more we ponder upon it, it loosens those ties, I think.
So you want to do, Shri?
To realize mass consciousness, some people may have realized, but others will never realize.
No, there's no such thing as never.
Because if their
No.
mind is very, what you call, disturbed, people
What
can't
she
see
may
it.
say, in this life they may not.
In
What
this
you
life,
saying is that in
this
the
life
end-
they may not, but there's no other line. कोई
There may not be.
सेकेंड
That's-
लाइन में खड़ा है, कोई 10 में खड़ा है, किसी का नंबर 20 है, but everybody will
I think
pass
both
through
of you
this
are correct in
evolution.
your own context. What
Yeah.
she's saying is that
Yeah.
firstly they may not realize, and then remember we talked about
But they
regression.
don't have to realize.
That they might add another 10 lives to it, but then a time comes, what you're also right, कि somebody like Valmiki, they said he was a daku and
Yeah.
killing everybody, and then when उसको थोड़ा सा realize, वो आया नारद जी और वो बोला इसको राम राम तो बोल नहीं सकता ये, इसको तो खाली किलिंग ही आती है, उसको बोल दिया मरा बोल तू. Imagine, उसने मरा से किया, उसका माइंड प्योरीफाई होने लगा because मरा became Ram. So you never know who's going to jump ahead, but the fact is that we don't need to worry about other people, we need to worry about ourselves.
Yeah, the time is too short.
We
अभी
are
भी
starting
already
it very late.
70,
No,
60 हो
it's
गए.
never late.
Yeah, of course.
Never.
I
You never
understand
know.
that.
You never know.
No, because
You never
God
know.
knows how many lives. I am so thrilled that I at least I can understand, I have interest in it.
Yeah.
Imagine, means
Yeah.
there may be lives and lives gone that you don't even have any interest in
I
it.
wonder how many lives have gone.
Yeah, so at least this is a very big step if you ask me. And because I have to tell you this, in chapter 6, Bhagwan gave a promise to Arjun that whatever spiritually you have gained, in your next life you start exactly from there. You don't have to go back.
Go back.
Not like कि अपना जो regular studies होता है ना,
No.
ABCD वापस पढ़ना पड़ेगा हमें. Kindergarten से शुरू करना
That's what
पड़ेगा.
I have always said. Many
Yeah.
years. Nothing is wasted.
Wasted.
No,
Spiritual
Sadhguru
journey.
says in his thing
Huh?
You
that
acquire knowledge.
People ask him,
What
what were you in your
everybody
past
says.
life? He said, I was doing the same work in my
Who?
past 2 lives.
किसने?
Sadhguru.
And also,
He said, past 2 lives I've been doing this. That's why, he could,
Yeah, at the age of 25, he didn't have to read the Gita and all.
yeah, he didn't have to read anything.
you
It
get
just
born
comes up.
also in the family where you can get help.
he talked about that too. There are some yogis वो थोड़ा सा नीचे
ये
गिर
तो
जाते
उसके
हैं.
family में उसको help नहीं थी. In fact, his father used to call him crazy.
No, but some,
Yeah.
listen.
Maybe
no.
that did it also. Maybe
Yes.
that was good for him.
Everybody has different ways of.
Maybe the father became a catalyst for him too, because when जब ज़्यादा लोग घर में सताते हैं तो वो बाहर निकल जाता है.
They do ulta. People do ulta, you know. This reverse
Absolutely.
psychology.
बुद्धा का फादर ही थॉट कि इसको मैं कैसे पकड़ के रखूं, इसको इतना लग्जरी में रखूं कि इसको कभी दुख दिखाई नहीं दे. और एक बार वो बाहर गया वो चेन्ना के
कभी
साथ,
वापस नहीं आया.
और फिर नहीं, उसने 4 चीजें देख ली, you know, जन्म,
yeah,
मृत्यु and sickness and death he saw.
Yeah.
And he said that's it. He started pondering upon it and then he left home. So sometimes it may look like that other people are not helping you, but
But they are in
helping.
every way. They,
because it's a universe
even
that is
their
helping you.
remarks and their things, when they tell you something, you should ponder.
And I want to bring one more important thing. And maybe you have heard of it, maybe you not. We all know the story of Ramayana, right? So usme everybody thinks that Kekai was a villainess, right?
Yeah.
But then you know what happened in reality?
What happened?
Ramchandra ji went to Kekai. In one of the Ramayans it is there. I don't know which one. And the saints talk about it and said, I want you to do something. Because she loved him the most out of all moms. He said, I have to go to the jungle, but I cannot go because everybody's going to stop me.
Yeah.
You have to do something for me. So she takes on that
became the
villainous
bad
role.
one, yeah.
Purposely. Imagine that. Because she was his greatest bhakt. And she said,
Who said I
Kekai
want to
is-
go to the jungle?
Ram,
Ram
because
wanted
yeah.
himself to go.
Because otherwise वो कैसे मारता?
रावण
He had to go through the whole journey. He had to meet all the rishis. सबका उद्धार करना था उनको. उनकी पूरी life.
He was an avatar, so
Yeah, avatar.
he just had to do the play.
Yeah.
तो बोले मेरा पिताजी तो
Krishna has
मुझसे
to
इतना
do the
प्रेम
play.
करता है, बाकी लोग को कुछ मालूम नहीं है. या वो भी, they were also spiritual people, but one person had to become the reason for him to get out to the jungle.
Yeah.
And
So
she took on to become the bad woman for the sansar, but actually she was his greatest devotee. That's what I want to bring. So
And even Ravan का भी तो है.
हाँ, रावण का
कि
रावण
रावण
नहीं
इतना
हुआ.
बड़ा भक्त.
And he wanted to
शिव
be
जी
killed
का
by
इतना बड़ा भक्त.
he wanted to be killed by God.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And how would he, you
So
know,
on the
get
surface,
Mukti?
these stories look like, oh my God, these are bad guys, but behind that, कुछ और ही reason है. You know?
इसीलिए हम लोग के उसमें ना कुछ bad है ही नहीं. There is
There's a
nothing
reason for
bad.
everything,
There's
yeah.
nothing bad.
It's always in your mind.
Yeah, our mind looks
नहीं,
at
it's
it.
not in the mind, but हम लोग के उसमें कुछ bad है ही नहीं. हम लोग scriptures खोल खोल
No,
के
but
देखो.
she's right that हम लोग जो सोचते हैं बुरा वो mind में होता है कि भाई ये अच्छा है वो
बुरा
बुरा
is the
है.
mind. बुरा is ignorance actually. बुरा
Mind
is
की
I
जो-
ignorance.
had an awful
Once you
experience
are,
in India, but I thank God for the experience. It was awful.
Yes.
I said thank you because He showed me the other way also. Good and
Exactly.
bad, both.
Yeah, exactly. So the experience at that time, you feel, why me? ये क्यों हो रहा है? फिर after a while, you realize, oh my God, because of that experience, I grew so much.
Yeah.
You know, and so many good things happened later on. Exactly. Okay. So,
What is
Okay.
this?
That-
Dakshina
next
Mukhi,
one.
you want to read that?
Dakshi.
yeah.
Huh.
Dakshina, so let's break this one. Dakshin Akshi Mukhe
Dakshin Akshi Mukhe.
Vishwaha
Vishwaha.
Antah Manasi.
Mantaha Manasi.
I'm breaking the sandhi.
Tejas.
Tu
We can read
Tejasah Akashe Hridi Cha Pragyah
Cha Pragyah.
Tridha Dehe Vyavasthitah. Okay, you do the English part like you do.
Dakshanakshi, whatever that is. It's in the right eye. Oh,
Akshi is I.
eye. Akshi. Then what is this?
Vishwa.
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 Is
Anta.
Vishwa.
Anta.
Anta Manasi.
Manasi is within the mind.
Yeah.
Two, whereas Tejas, Tejasa, Akashe,
Akashe Hridi.
Riddhi is in the space within the heart. What is it? Cha Pragya.
Cha
and
Pragya.
And
Cha
Cha Pragya.
Yeah. Those two bindis is the way
This
you
is difficult. And what is it? Tridha.
Tridha.
I
Tridha
don't
is
know
three
Hindi
different
well,
ways.
so
It's okay.
Tridha.
It's
in
okay.
three different ways. Dehe in the body,
Vyavasthiti.
is
Is placed.
placed.
Okay.
Visva works from the right eye, Tajasya from the mind, and Prajna from the heart space. Thus, the one self is conceived as working from three headquarters as three distinct entities.
So Vishwa means the waking state is works from the right eye,
Waking state is one eye,
The right
from
eye.
the right eye.
and the Tejas is from the mind. That means the dream state is from the mind, and the deep Prajna is the deep state. So that is from the heart space.
He's going to explain
Yes,
in
okay.
detail why.
There is no direct evidence of expression in the Mandukya Upanishad regarding the seat of activity of the three egos in the three states in a consciousness. Gaudapada in this Karika is giving us the exact location where the Visva, Tajasya and Prajna can be identified and located.
Wow.
This is as it should be. Karika is not a Shastra. A Shastra is a scientific textbook of an exhaustive philosophy, while a Karika is a treatment exhaustive and complete only in one aspect of it. Thus, Karika is an
Upadesha.
Upadesha Grantha, a textbook of particular advice and not of general philosophy. As such, Gaudapada has to necessarily give more and more details to help the sadhaka to practice in the scriptural path,
Spiritual.
path, and this we see more clearly in the other chapters too. No chapter of the Karika is concluded without giving detailed instruction as to how one can practice and live the spiritual life.
So here he's just saying that why he's going in this detail, even though this particular explanation is not part of this
Mandukya.
Mandukya Upanishad, but he's saying that for their benefit for the spiritual practice. Because when you're meditating and trying to make you understand more clearly so that you eventually will be able to experience it. That's why he's giving this more detail. Everybody
I
understand?
wonder what does the left eye do? Vishwa works from the right
No,
eye.
that's why he will tell you why he said that. And that is so important because this is what happens. When in the scripture language is so subtle and it's
Yeah.
more indicative.
Yeah.
You know, it's like, for example, I'm just giving you this, okay? जैसे हनुमान जी ने पूरा माउंटेन उठा लिया था, right? If you think about it, it sounds so crazy, right? You can mount,
How could
but
it
it could be even जैसे कि कोई हम लोग एक हस्बैंड को बोला भाई कुछ लेके आ और वो कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज ले आया तो हम नहीं बोलते पहाड़ उठा के ला रहा है क्या? So sometimes there is a language they use, but
Yeah.
it gives you a meaning behind it. You don't have to take it
Literally, yeah.
but you have to take it
Yeah.
in some context.
Figuratively, yeah.
Figuratively. So that's what this right eye is. He will
Okay.
explain it.
Okay.
So you only read the next one, then he will.
Where did I stop?
Fulfilling his function.
Fulfilling his function as a closeter, Gaudapada is giving us an additional detail about the fields of activity of the individual egos in three planes of consciousness for purposes of meditation, analysis, and correct understanding of them. When we read roughly that the waking state ego, the Vishwa, has its headquarters in the right eye, we are apt to get aghast and wonder at the ridiculous statements of the ancient rishis. This is exactly what happens when a modern educated man in a hurry purchases an Upanishad textbook with a meager word-to-word translation, perhaps at a railway stop, and tries to skip through it during an uncomfortable journey. He gains an impression that the scripture is nothing but a jumble of words, meaning nothing and having no significances at all.
You can read one more paragraph.
Let us try to understand and evaluate it to the best of our understanding. Vishwa is the experiencer in the waking state world. In the waking state, we are conscious of the physical structure, and from the parapets of the body, we try to experience and cognize the variegated world of sense objects. The phenomenal world is recognized only by the waking state ego. Now, the attempt of the master is to show us exactly the position where that particular ego has its camp.
Okay, so basically,
I like
see
the
what
way
he's
they
saying, yeah.
put it.
So firstly he's saying that, see, exactly like you had that question. Right eye to left eye फालतू है क्या? So he's saying that अगर कोई ऐसे ही उठा ले किताब और पढ़ने लगे तो उसको तो एकदम confusion हो जाएगा, and then
वो तो
especially
हो
the
जाएगा, बोलेगा पर
yeah
Understanding ही नहीं होगी, and he'll just skip it and he'll throw the book
Exactly.
also away. Yeah.
Now
that's
you
why
got
we
it.
are sitting together and reading. Otherwise,
this text
scriptures
you cannot do it
don't,
on your own,
read
yes.
alone at all.
And without this Swamiji's explanation we would be nowhere. So yes, exactly. So here what he's saying, at least one thing that we have to understand, that the experiencer in the waking state, we are conscious of this physical structure. We try to experience and cognize the variety of
What do they mean with parapets of the body?
where is it? From the, I think, if I'm not mistaken, parapets may be like different parts of the body, but we can check the actual word in the dictionary.
You can see in your iPhone now.
I will look up, and we'll just want to make sure what we understand. The phenomenon is recognized only by the waking state ego. Okay, this world is recognized only by when we are in waking state, right? Okay, so now I'll read further. Certainly, the ego is not at a particular point, like the ring or the buttons. So the ego is literally kind of all over us, but it is all pervading. The ego functions from the tip of the toe to the top of the head.
Wow.
And yet, when we analyze the physical structure in the waking state and try to understand the concentrated spot from where the entire activity seems to emerge out, we shall find out that of all the sense organs, the eyes are the most prominent and always used. So eyes, पांचों senses में से सबसे ज़्यादा because हमको
वही
दिखता है
दिखता है
ना,
ना,
उसके बाद हम उसमें interest लेते हैं जब कुछ
Then it
दिखाई
goes
दे.
to the mind after
Yeah,
seeing,
yeah.
then it.
So out of all the senses for the waking world, eyes are very important.
Yeah.
Of the two eyes, okay, here your
Yeah,
answer
coming.
comes. Of the two eyes, if we try to make a comparative study, we shall find, and the opticians would vouch for it, that the right eye is more powerful than the left eye.
Wow.
When any other sense organ is missing in us, we do not feel that much of ignorance of the world as when we are blind. We may be deaf, we may be paralytic, and yet, if we have got the pair of eyes intact, we have much more percentage of the correct knowledge of the world than when we are blind. Thus, in our analysis, we can certainly conclude that I are the most important headquarters from which the waking state ego is eking out its experiences. And of the two eyes, we note that the right eye is in the main headquarters from where the Vishwa executes and orders its fields of activity. So, in the Mandukya Karika, Vishwa is explained as harbored in the right eye.
Harbour, headquarters, camp. My all is.
Acha, I wanted to give an example. So, we say कि भाई,
You can close your eye and then see also, no? You
okay,
can- you can
that
do it
government
yourself.
operates in the whole United States. उसकी सत्ता हर जगह पे है. सब लोग मानते हैं.
What is Satta?
सत्ता means उसका जो power है.
Ah, yeah.
I cannot do anything against the government. They'll come and get me in my own
Yeah,
house
sure.
also, right? मगर उसका headquarter कहाँ पे है? White House.
Washington.
White House. White House maybe if you have to pick one room, it's that Oval Office.
Yeah, Trump का office.
That does not mean that उसका power हर जगह नहीं है. लेकिन उसका जो main concentrated जहाँ से निकल रहा है,
concentration.
if you can think of it that
That's
way.
the headquarters.
Yeah, so then now think of it that okay, waking state की सत्ता यहाँ से इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा power है to have the waking state. That's all it is. If you can understand that government
Yeah.
example, this will be very easy to understand.
That's a good example.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to finish? Then we'll now 12:30 तो हो गया है.
हो गया 12:30 then we can stop actually because ये काफी है और.
Now we can finish this page if you want. Or you
Okay,
can-
ठीक है.
we can even finish here if you want because pages will be the dreamer state. We can go
Yeah,
the
okay.
next time. Or you no?
So you can
Yeah,
do the
Harvard in
Tejas.
the right eye.
Yeah, finish
यहाँ
it
पर
there.
और ज़्यादा पढ़ें?
पूछो
Yeah, but I think
इसको.
it's
Yeah, ये
enough.
ठीक है ना, वही ना. This
Yeah.
is good because we
Then
can
we can
ponder
start with
upon
the
it.
next. Yeah.
The time flew today.
Right eye. Wow. Headquarters.
Main meaning is कि भाई
Yeah,
वहाँ से
strongest.
उसका waking state का जो
Experience है.
experience है वो सबसे ज़्यादा उसकी वजह से होता है.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Yeah, but yeah, it's not.
It's
shown.
symbolic.
What is left eye? What is its function?
But let's
We
try
don't
also
need that.
see.
We
That's
don't
what I
need
was
to
gave you
do
the
this.
example of. It's अगर
Yeah,
तुम
yeah, but
जाओगे.
both are there, but more
Both are there.
No, because you see the
Power
right side of your
level.
body is stronger than the left side, isn't
Is
it?
it?
Yeah, right hand.
No, what about the left-handed people?
No,
That
don't
is
go on
different.
exception.
That
That's
is
a very
different. I mean, you
different
don't
What he's saying, the
take it
power
a
in the right eye is more
broad
powerful than the
perspective,
left eye.
everything.
Okay,
And even the opticians will tell you that. You can ask your eye doctor friend.
Okay.
या लेफ्टीज आर एक्सेप्शन. सो उनके लिए अगर खाली लेफ्टीज के लिए बनाते हैं वो तो बोलते लेफ्ट आई. It's not like written in
That's
stone.
why in
This is-
yoga
yeah.
you do both the thing to bring
Balance.
balance in both
Yeah.
the side of the body, no?
Abhi, I was reading, I think I don't know if I sent it to you all this, the brain yoga they're saying nowadays, you know, you catch your ears like this, ulta, this way, and then this way. Then you breathe in and you sit down.
अरे ये
And then you get up.
My son came to me.
South Indian so,
ये गांव में मास्टर लोग ये कराते
गांव में क्या शहर में भी करते थे.
वो क्या होगा?
मुर्गा बनाते
Yeah,
थे.
both
मुर्गा
your
बनाओ
balance-
बोलते थे,
both
मुर्गा
your
बोलते थे,
balance
दस
will
बार
do this.
करो,
दंड
या
बैठक
बीस बार
बोलते
करो,
थे.
All the
50 बार
autistic
करो.
बच्चे जो है ना,
I mean, I went to
उनका
Congress
भी
to
बहुत,
the
they
night,
also
I
calm
know.
down and they
All
become
these,
this one.
this
Yeah,
thing.
he knows
we
about
also.
it.
Yeah, I wrote to her also.
No, it's coming in the thing, but the thing is that
It's a very
all
old
from the
practice.
East. It's a very old thing. And see, in India, the whole science of yoga is so deep.
मैंने South Indian temples में I see all the devotees doing this.
इवन हमारे चिन्मय
And
मिशन
मैं
में लोग
भी ऐसे
साउथ इंडियन
करती
लोग
हूँ,
करते
हाँ,
हैं.
yeah.
और my son came and told me because he had some physical injury, so he had to go on to the therapist. And he came 2 days ago. He's saying, "Mom, what is this exercise?" So I said, "That's called utthak baitak." I said, "But you're doing it wrong. You're supposed to cross your arms."
Yeah.
And then
उठक बैठक भी एक है. उठक
हाँ.
बैठक खाली उठक बैठक है. That is one of the.
no, but the
this
real
thing.
one is this cross
But
time.
वो जो मुर्गा बनाते थे क्लास में,
हाँ.
you know, that is this one.
Yeah.
No, but like she's saying that
If anybody-
South Indian utthak बैठक भी वैसे ही करते
हाँ, उल्टा ही
हैं.
करते हैं
और
वो लोग.
because it balances the brain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
अगर
The
किसी
left side
कोई
and the
बहुत
right
मस्ती
side.
कर रहा हो तो बोलते हैं
हाँ.
वो ऐसे करने से
मुर्गा
शांत हो
बन जा.
जाता है.
हाँ, तो उसका
Maybe
power
in the
wind down.
the kid.
In all
Maybe
the
it's
schools
one
in
of the
India, they should make
exercises
them
in
do that.
school.
हाँ.
They should
Did you
teach.
turn that
Yeah.
off?
Oh.
You can.
Yeah, we should. My battery will go away.
So it is so amazing that जो हम लोग एकदम casually लेते थे उन चीजों को, मगर ऋषि मुनियों ने उनको काफी सोच साच के किया हुआ है ये
Actually,
सारा.
I realized the whole Indian this thing when I came to America. Then in everything I realized, you know,
Yes.
the way